Hello, wonderful people. I welcome you back once again to the Joforce IT services on YouTube. Today is another wonderful day that the Lord has given to each and every one of us. So I would like us to use this opportunity to thank God for this brand new day. All right, so in this lesson, we are going to learn how to register for AFA Bundle. We are going to walk through the process that you need to follow so that you can become AFA Bundle Agent. You register for yourself and you register for other people as well. But if this is your first time watching this video on this channel, kindly click on the subscribe button, then on the notification button for all, and wait for more important and more educative videos on this channel. On this channel, we have videos on how to buy and sell data bundle, how to become a data bundle agent, how to browse through the internet without using data bundle, a whole lot of things, how to design websites, how to create online stores, a whole lot. So please, if this is your first time watching this video on this channel, kindly click on the subscribe button and turn on the notification button for all, because we are going to upload more important and more educative videos onto this one and only educative channel on YouTube, the Joforce IT services. Alright, so without wasting much time, let's locate our dial pad and use this code for the AFA Bundle registration. So the code is 1848 star 1848. The reason why I'm coming to show you this is that now the world is so hard. Things are very tough. It is not easy to get money for even data bundle. It is not easy to get money for airtime and a whole lot. And on AFA Bundle, AFA registration, you can use it to buy the data bundle, and then you can use it to buy the airtime. You can use it to buy for other registered AFA members. So you can use this also as a business opportunity. You register for people, you take money, then you also have a good standard of living. So please, make sure you subscribe to this channel. Watch more of our videos. We have some videos on this channel that can make you become a rich man, that can make you have a good standard of living. We have videos on this channel that can take you out of poverty. So please, let's quickly dial this code and see how we can register for the AFA Bundle. So the only thing you need to do is to click on send and wait patiently for what will pop up. Now, welcome to AFA. The reason why there is nothing like register here is that I have already registered for the AFA Bundle. I'm already a beneficiary, so I cannot use this same line to register for the AFA Bundle offer again. So what I need to do is to use a different line. Because of this lesson, I would like to use a different line to show you how you can register for the AFA Bundle. Alright, so let me cancel this, redial the code star 1848 hash, then I use the same one for this particular registration. Alright, so welcome to AFA, become a member. So you select the option 1 to become an AFA Bundle member or an agent. So if you want to register for this AFA Bundle, if you want to become an agent of this AFA Bundle, then kindly chat me on WhatsApp, send me your full name, your number on which you want to do the registration, your occupation, your location, and your address, your email address. So please, if you want to register for this, don't hesitate to do so. The registration It's only 15 Ghana cedis. 15 Ghana cedis. If you want to register for other people too, you can chat me on WhatsApp so that we'll talk about it and see how best I can help you. Because the world is very hard. Ghana is very hard. Things are going high. It is very difficult to even get government work to do. So the only quick way that you can solve, or that we can solve, the unemployment problem is to involve ourselves into private businesses. Alright, so kindly chat me on WhatsApp for the registration. If you like this video and you want more educative videos from this channel, kindly click on the subscribe button, turn on the notification button as you wait for more important videos. But before we end this video, let me walk you through how you can buy the AFA bundle. As I said earlier, I'm already a member, so let me dial the code again to buy the AFA bundle using my registered number. Alright, so you select the option 1, which is buy bundle, AFA bundle. So select the option 1 there. Alright, so let's look at the offers that they are having here. The first one is AFA bundle. The second one is AFA plus data bundle. Then the third one is bundle for others. So the third one, what the third one is saying is that you can buy the AFA bundle for other people, only those who are registered members of the AFA. Then the second one is you can get the AFA bundle and then the data bundle at the same time. You can get the AFA bundle and then the data bundle at the same time. So let's select the option 2 and let's see what is going to pop up. But before then, let's start from 1. So let's select option 1 and see what is going to pop up. So package gives you 200 minutes on net, 20 minutes off net, and 50 SMS. So it will be valid for 30 days. So the cost of the AFA bundle is 6 cedis. So if you buy this, you are going to use it for 30 days before you buy another one. So let me cancel this. Let me cancel this by selecting option 2. Let's go back and use the code again to look at what will pop up when we use the option 2 as well. So let's go buy AFA bundle, then the option 2 AFA plus data bundle. Let's see what is going to happen here. So it is going to, this one is going to give you 140 minutes on net calls and 20 minutes off net calls plus 50 SMS. So you can send text messages to your friends and family members the whole month without paying any money for any credit. So it will give you another 150 megabytes for browsing the internet. So this will be valid for 30 days. So if you want to be part of this great AFA family, then kindly click on the subscribe button, follow me on this channel, chat me on WhatsApp so that I'll register you to become a member of the AFA bundle. So guys, thank you very much. In our next video, we are going to look at another best and legit way to make money online. So till then, we say bye-bye.